Hi, welcome back to Tiny Tales by Dr. Bugsy. Witness the Hive's frontline warriors in action. At the entrance, an intruder dares to cross the boundary, and the guard bees respond instantly. The outsider tumbles, legs twisting, wings helpless. The guards bite, they kick, and they smash their heads into intruder's face like living battering rams. Each attack is sharp, each movement coordinated. This is not random aggression, it's organized defense. The message is unmistakable. No outsider will ever breach the hive. For honeybees, the colony is sacred, and the guards will fight to the very end to protect it.